left our cubicles in little flaming piles, and we were running for a reason. I need to feel something different for just a little while. I'm not coming home, I'm staying with the wolves. You can burn all my mail and disconnect my phone. Tell Mom I'm sorry, sorry for leaving, but I'm staying where I'm at. Now we're running to find meaning. We're gone and we're never coming back.